Welcome to another episode of Live Feed with your host, Richard Santiago. Live Feed is proudly sponsored by Vimeo.com and TravelingTechTeacher.com. For all of your digital resources, log in to TravelingTechTeacher.com. And by theBULLYexposed, a nonprofit organization geared to helping survivors of bullying, so let them help you. Today on Live Feed, the 5 things you can do if you are being bullied. Number 5, even though you are being bullied, stay positive by watching your appearance, getting your hair done, taking showers often, and eating right. This will help you to stay positive. Number 4, record your events with your bully either in a written or recorded method using audio or video. Remember to write the date, time, who the conflict was with, and what witnesses were there. Number 3, be prepared to call 911 in the USA, 000 in Australia, or 999 in the UK if you are being physically assaulted, and know your rights when it comes to bullying. Number 2, join or create a club so you can meet new people. When we stay in groups of 3 or more, you are less likely to be bullied. Number 1, empower yourself. You empower yourself by joining martial arts, a boxing gym, or learn to play an instrument and join a band. You can also be empowered by telling an adult you trust that you are being bullied. Don't skip school to avoid the bully, and by all means, do not hurt or cut yourself. That's going to do it for us on this episode of Live Feed. We want to remind you to smash that heart or thumbs up icon, comment to let us know what you think about this video, and subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube, and follow us on Instagram. This episode of Live Feed with your host, Richard Santiago, is proudly brought to you by Vimeo.com and the TravelingTechTeacher.com. For all of your digital resources, log in to TravelingTechTeacher.com. And also brought to you by theBULLYexposed.com, a nonprofit organization geared at helping survivors of bullying. Remember, anyone can wear the crown. Anyone can be a hero. Be kind to one another and have a great day. Goodbye. Written by Richard Santiago and Helen Harvey. Illustrated by Richard Santiago. Live Feed theme song by @youngblue.2020. Score by Giovanna Mercury. Voiceover by Helen Harvey. And directed by Richard Santiago. This video was created with the help of volunteers from the United States, Guam, and Australia.